Michelle here from Strawberry, and this is my birthday month, and I'm so excited. I put out a request on my Instagram, so if you're not following me there, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, and to just my friends and family that I would like items for OCC, Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes for my birthday. And I've actually been out of town. I've been out of the country. I've been in Ecuador for the past 3 weeks, and I come home to all of these packages. Now, I know at least one is something that I ordered before I left that didn't get here in time, and I know one is my subscribe and save that came like the day before I got here, but I just have this pile of packages and I don't know what's what. So I'm going to open all these and share with you some of the things that my friends and family have gotten me to put in my shoeboxes for Operation Christmas Child. Let's see what we got. Okay, this one is heavy and feels like fabric. It is a big package of bandanas. There are 100 bandanas in here. Those are going to be great to put in my shoeboxes. And let's see, who's it from? This is from my sister Marilyn and her family. Thank you so much, Marilyn. I really appreciate that. All right, let's try this one. This is my subscribe and save. I've had skin cancer many times, and my dermatologist tells me that I have to take niacinamide to help me not have skin cancer so much. So it's got like vitamins and things in it. Not so exciting. Let's try this one. That's what it is. This just says, a gift for you. Enjoy your gift. It does not say who it's from. Let's see what we've got here. Inflatable beach balls. Awesome. And I don't remember how many were supposed to be in this package, but they are 16-inch beach balls. How fun! So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 beach balls. And if you are the person who sent this to me, if you want to contact me and let me know so I can properly thank you, I will do that. If you want to remain anonymous, then I guess that's okay too. But thank you. Let's see. These are recorders. Oh, how fun. So that the children can play music. And this is from Tiffany. Happy birthday from Tiffany. Tiffany has an Operation Christmas Child YouTube channel called Blessed and OCC Obsessed. So definitely check out her channel. And I am excited to include these in one of my shoe boxes. Thank you, Tiffany. This is another one from Anonymous. Anonymous is very popular. These are little rockets. They're like Nerf. I gotta pull one out and try it. Okay, let's see. Got a little... How's this work? Just... No. It's... Finger rockets, set of 12. So again, thank you, Anonymous, for these rockets. I think a kid is going to really enjoy having a finger rocket to shoot places. Okay, this box, while I was out of town, it poured down rain and this box got soaking wet. My sister brought it inside for me and opened it up just to make sure that it wasn't damaged. So I already know what this one is. But it is also from Anonymous. Guys, if you sent me something, please let me know who you are so that I can thank you. And I haven't looked at them yet. Water bottles. And there's different colors. So pink and blue. And a lighter blue. And green. So it looks like there's 12 in here. Let me get rid of that wet box. So that's really fun. Thank you, Anonymous. Anonymous, you're becoming one of my best friends. I will leave my link to my wish list in the description below this video so that if you would like to donate something for my Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes, you can do so. There are items in every price range, and I do plan to do another video like this towards the end of the month. And thank you in advance. Oh wow, there's a lot in here. Okay. Aww. Gift receipt. So this is also from my sister Marilyn and her family. And let's see. She got me, some stuffed animals. Oh, they're keychains too. Look at this little giraffe. Isn't it cute? And we've got a little hippo. And a lion. Let's see. We've got like a tiger or leopard. And a zebra. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, there's another design. Oh, that's the tiger. Okay. Oh, those are so cute. And these are good when the box is full of lots of other things, like the water bottles, you know, and you can fit them in so they still have something kind of soft and squishy and lovey in their shoebox. That is wonderful. Thank you, Marilyn. What else do we have in here? We have some drawstring backpacks in a bunch of different colors. We've got green and teal and a light blue, red, gray, bright green, orange, dark blue, light gray or white, pink, purple, dark pink, green. Oh, these are great. It's always nice if the kids receiving the shoeboxes have a way to carry the stuff that they get or have a way to carry their supplies to school. These are awesome. Thank you, Marilyn and family. Marilyn, John, and Leah. And she sent me some Dino go-kart. I've gotten these before. And these are so much fun. These are like my favorite cars. They are dinosaurs, but they are also cars. And they are pullback cars. And they have so many fun dinosaur designs. These are, like, seriously one of my favorites. Okay. Where's the item that I know that I bought myself before I left that didn't come in? Maybe it came in and I just don't remember. I found the package that I ordered myself before I left that didn't get it here on time, and it was from Staples, and it was these notebooks, and they were really cheap, so I got 10 for $3.09 total. That includes tax and shipping and everything. Shipping was free, but the box that I found them in was really, really dirty, and it had been out in the rain, and 2 of the notebooks are ruined. So I'm a little sad about that, but at 30 cents each, I guess I really can't complain. I just want to thank all of you so much for remembering me on my birthday, and just letting you know that I will be filming another video like this at the end of the month if you want to contribute to some of the items for my Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes. Thank you for the beach balls, the backpacks, the dinosaur cars, the recorders, the bandanas, the water bottles, the stuffed animals, and the rocket shooters. These are all amazing, and they are going to make a kid feel very special and very loved, and they're going to help a kid to know that gift is just a gift from God, and I'm just so excited to pack these in my Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and share it if you will, please. And until next time, toodles!